कांग्रेस की भारत जोड़ो यात्रा का 15वां दिन था। इस दौरान राहुल गांधी ने कोच्चि पहुंचकर एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को खिताब किया। इस दौरान राहुल गांधी ने अपनी इस यात्रा के मकसद को भी बयां किया। क्या कुछ कहा राहुल गांधी ने, आपको सुनवाते हैं।
My goal with regards to this yatra is to put across to the people of India that the hatred, the violence and the arrogance that is now visible in our country is not good for our country. This country has a tradition of humility, of non-violence, of compassion, and that is actually the true India. The two other ideas that I am placing on the table is the level of disparity between rich and poor in India has now reached a point of no return. The poor are suffering high prices, unemployment, and they are going through very, very painful times. And then there is a handful of people who have immense wealth. And my position is that this contrast is not good for India. That is what I am focusing on.